Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Juliuz and I'm watching the best videos of the trading industry with you together so you don't have to do it all by yourself. Today, I'm recording another reaction on our good friend MambaFx trapped on a rooftop until I make $100,000 trading. Video is only 12 minutes long, so apparently it didn't take him too much time to make $100,000 trading. This is like part of the series in which Mamba is trapped somewhere and has to earn a certain amount of money while day trading, while scalping, whatsoever, and then he is set free today on a rooftop. This should be fun. Exactly the right kind of video I want to watch with you together. So you guys leave a like and a sub real quick down below. Thank you for your support. And now let's get right into it together. Here we go. Okay, so this is a rooftop. He has like a little tent and just a laptop. So let's see.
I'm about to do something that has quite literally never been done before on YouTube, and that's locking myself up on a random rooftop and day trading until I make $100,000. Now, I don't know if it's gonna...
So in day trading, there's always a certain percentage, let's say 35 to 40% of a chance that the position is losing you. If Mamba is now losing first, then this could take a while until he is set free, okay? Not every position is automatically a winner. In case you are in a winning position, of course, only the position size matters, how fast he's gonna make the $100,000, okay? If you're getting in with a very big position size, already a pretty small move can lead to $100,000.
Take an hour or a week, regardless.
Yeah, if he's in a losing streak, it would take him a week.
Regardless of anything, I cannot leave this rooftop unless I make $100,000 or $100,000 is made by me. Oh, by the way, I'm in California and there's a nasty heat wave warning right now, so it's about 115 degrees up here as well, so I'm fucking dying like melted ice cream. So it is what it is. I can't leave until I make 100K, so maybe I should get started and start looking at the charts, or I can do this.
What the heck? What was that? His shoes. What are those?
On the roof right now, sweating my asshole off. Yeah, I'm gonna order food and water and just I'm gonna bring it up in a bucket. I have a rope and I can take the rope and hang it off the roof, and then we can...
Of course, this is now not only the trading part, this is a lot of entertainment, okay? Like pulling up the food and the water in a bucket up on the rooftop, entertaining part.
Put whatever food up. I love you. But get the f out of here with all that loving shit, bitch.
So he has some sort of a mattress, so he's prepared to stay there longer, obviously.
What the fuck? Do you see this shit? It's fucking hot, dude. It's actually like, what's today's date? Today's date is July 23rd. If you're watching...
So Mamba is like the Mr. Beast of the trading industry.
Watching this,
I love it.
look up July 23rd temperatures and heat wave warnings for California and see if I'm fucking around right now. Markets are open at least. I guess I could take a browse at that. Oh my god.
Okay, markets are open.
Hold on. Check this shit out, guys.
So what do we see? Is Mamba trading his famous breakout strategy once again after the first range at market open?
As the markets are absolutely fucking not fucking moving at fucking all. I mean, we opened up and just started doing the same fuckery we were already fucking doing. Dude, I need you to call the president. We got the president's number still, right? Yeah. I need you to call the president right now. Get him to say some shit. Let's get this shit moving.
Yeah, that's pretty true. If he wants to make $100,000, he probably needs a moving market for that. A very tight trading range will not lead to big results.
Okay, so I've been stuck on this roof for approximately 2 hours, and I just ordered pizza. I can't leave the roof till I make $100,000 trading, so unfortunately, this is how I have to get pizza. But I got $10,000 for him. That's a tip.
Wow, all right.
Just for fun. Now, I know I'm not Mr. Beast. I'm not giving away a house.
Basically, at this point, he is the trading Mr. Beast, okay?
For nothing crazy, but $10,000 should be sufficient enough. Yo!
What the?
Hey boss, your pizza. Oh.
Is this a real delivery guy or is this his neighbor from around the corner?
Yes.
Oh! Woo! Okay, whatever.
Okay, doesn't seem like usual delivery guy.
Okay, we got the fucking delivery.
But I don't care.
We got the pizza. Let's go. Okay. Not in the worst shape ever.
Delivery guy was like, great tip, man. Thanks. It's just $10,000, man.
To order me this? So my girl ordered me. No, she does not fucking think shit is sweet right now. Does it look like a boba type of fucking day? I'm not, literally not drinking this right now. Shit is not sweet. That is fucking great. Dude, that shit is cold as
Okay, now we get hopefully into some trading here. Let's see some charts.
Okay. Okay. So stupid. I'm gonna hit record on this bitch, show you guys what I'm dealing with here. I mean,
Again, still into the trading range. And the Nasdaq, a little more is happening here.
look at this shit. What am I gonna say? The volume is absolute. What is that though? Nasdaq looks like shit.
I'm not sure about... He's in California. Oh, okay. So probably this is the market open that takes place in the middle of the night in Europe. So that makes sense that the market is not really moving here. Okay, in Asia session, this is gonna be hard to make some money here.
That, but like, look at US 30 right now. That is, bro. I'm literally gonna be here forever. What are we doing right now? Doesn't even make any.
Okay, he can try to buy the lows and sell the highs of the trading range. Okay, make 5 to 10 scalp trades here in the 5 minute or in the 1 minute. I don't care. And then maybe the $100,000 are reached.
Freaking sense. This is going to be.
Look at that. If you're in a tight trading range like this, maybe your best choice is to sell high and to buy low here, which in the normal case you should never do, okay? But in a Asia session tight trading range, you can definitely try to immediately buy long position right here, okay? This could have been the chance for him to try a trade, pretty tight stop loss, hold the trade up to the highs, and make maybe the first couple of $1,000s.
A very long day. Or, I should say, a very long night. Alright guys, I have kind of just been watching the markets, chilling. It's been 5 hours since I've last talked to you guys.
Okay, he actually looks pretty devastated and drained out, so I think he's telling the truth and he actually sit there for 4 hours just watching the markets.
8 since I've been up here, so am I losing my shit? Just a little bit.
But as time goes on, now the volatility should increase.
You know, just sitting on a fucking roof. The temperature in the air is better now, obviously. But yeah, I'm looking at the markets right now. I'm not seeing a lot. I have made the executive decision that when I do get a really good trade, I am going to full port the fuck out of it.
What are we looking at here? Again, some movement. In bigger picture, this actually looks like a short trend.
Because I'm not, I just cannot sleep
At least in Nasdaq.
up here. I really can't. The last thing I'm gonna do. So I don't even know what I'm working up right now. There's not really that much to go off of. Probably go smaller time frame. It's gonna be a lot easier to find a pretty quick setup on, but I'm gonna keep kind of browsing the markets and seeing if there's nothing.
Now this is really a situation in which we can identify if someone is trading good or not. He basically has to execute a position. He's waited for a long time. Now let's see with what he comes up next.
In here that we can't make some money on. It is what it is. Yeah, my girl showed up. I said, you can't come up here. Well, I mean, she could, but she's pregnant, so she can't. I said, I can't go down there, but you can just hang out. And hopefully...
So still no trade, huh?
Finish in time. Look. Anyways, yeah, I said, she's like, well, can I come see you? You've been there all day. I said, you can freaking come see me, but I can't come down this ladder, so... You're gonna have to just shake ass from right there. Unless I make 1,000 right now, which is very fucking probably unlikely. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for a trade that can pay me 100,000 and maybe it'll lose me 50,000, right? Like I'll just
That's what I was talking about.
do it 1 to 2, something simple. But markets suck right now, man. All right, guys. I have been here for a very long time now. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to look at these charts and hopefully make something happen. It's been a very long day on this roof. I'm sunburned because guess what? I didn't fucking bring sunscreen. That was great. That was smart. All good though. We got my headlamp. I'm gonna be able to now see whatever I want to see. This is actually like genuinely kind of fucking creepy. Didn't realize
This actually doesn't look fake at all. It looks pretty real.
how creepy it would be, but it is. And yeah, I'm gonna go and just pull up the charts and see if I can't find something to trade right now. Honestly, that's just what I want to do. Okay, so I
Okay, let's analyze that real quick. This is a 1 minute chart, so we do not have a bigger picture. We are in a downtrend, so basically searching for shorts might make more sense in a 1 minute. Everything is possible. I'd need to look at a bigger picture. For now, as you can see, we're printing lower highs and lower lows. So maybe searching for a short entry would make sense. Now we're printing here like bearish pin bar and a doji. Maybe this is a sign that the buyers are getting weaker and weaker and sellers are increasing power again. So maybe this is already a point in which you could try a short trade. It's very, very risky at this point. Very, very risky. I would try maybe with a really, really tight stop loss here so you can't lose much. You could try executing a short position underneath those lows with a tight stop loss and then really go at least to this structural point here or for even new lows. Okay, that would be now a possibility in this scenario, but I'd say the chances are only with this tight stop loss 50-50. Okay, that overall the market is going short. Okay, the chances are a little bit bigger that we're gonna see new lows than maybe new highs, but actually with such tight stop losses, your chances are getting smaller and smaller.
I've narrowed it down to just trading US 30. I've also noticed
Again, I would only enter if this candle is now beginning to trade negative again. Okay, so not selling into a rising 1 minute
we
candle.
have a trend line here that could potentially break. We also have
Okay, he looks for a breakout. Now this would be the position in which I would try, okay, maybe try a short trade. Again, this is now the point. We are breaking the lows of the previous 2 1 minute candles. Entry here, stop loss up here, maybe go for this point, or even a new low. I'm not sure, guys. Now he's looking for maybe a trend line break. Yeah, he's not that wrong. Since we respected the trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times, this is now the 5th attempt of the buyers to break the trend line. At some point, the trend line is going to be broken, okay? Now the 5th attempt. Now let's see.
support down here that could break as well. If we do get a push above the trend line, I'm probably going to end up taking a buy with a lot of caution that if price does reject here, I'll probably just get out and be okay with whatever profits I have. Here's a problem that I'm kind of running into. This computer's going to die and I have no way to charge it, meaning I'm probably going to have to do all of this on my phone. I'm probably going to end up taking this buy here on this push. I kind of want to wait though, see if maybe...
Yeah, now this doesn't look too good here, the position. I would have entered short here. I'm going to be real with you. And the stop loss could definitely be hit. Again, as I told you, in the 1 minute chart, everything is possible.
Maybe we can break above the resistance here as well. We have some resistance. We have support here. Previous support, resistance.
Look how the sellers are trying to hold the trend line. At some point, at the 5th attempt, maybe it's going to break.
Resistance, all these resistance lines, resistance, and now we have resistance in this zone. If price pushes above this trend line and above this resistance, I'm taking a buy. If price pushes below the support that I have marked up here, I'm taking a sell. As simple as that.
Yeah,
okay?
probably my position would have already been stopped out here with a little loss.
It's just as simple
I wouldn't trade the 1 minute here.
as that. Okay, so I'm actually logging into Liquid right now, which is the broker that I trade on. Now look, if you guys want to trade on the best broker possible, where you guys are able to get 1 to 1,000 leverage, which nobody's offering, by the way. Oh, and also gold markets that are tradable all weekend long. So you have 24/7 gold markets. Click the link down below. Join
Some advertisement.
liquidbrokers.com right now. You have to use my link if you want 1 to 1,000. Click the link down below. Just sign up. Sign up. You got to do it. It's 1 to 1,000 leverage. You can flip whatever the you want at the easiest pace possible because you're getting the craziest leverage that's available on the market.
Now let's see the trading again. Do not want to skip too much of his advertisement. I mean, I'm reacting on his content, so he has every right in the world to make some advertisement also on my channel here. Yeah, this is a trade I previously saw. We took out the highs. I was probably stopped out with my theoretical position I would have maybe put on, but now we're coming back down again.
Looking at TradingView right now on my phone because the computer is officially dead, and as you can see, yeah, pretty much just chilling, doing its thing, still waiting for the break of the resistance. Or
so far it looks like that the trend line is still intact. Maybe I would have been stopped out, maybe I would have been lucky and the stop loss would have been a little higher here.
the break of the support.
Gonna
Either
see.
way, we're going to get a breakout. We're going to trade a 1 to 2. I'm either going to lose 50 grand or make 100 grand. It is what it is. And I know a lot of people are going to say, well, why would you risk 50 grand? It is what it is, guys. That's just what I'm doing. It's a challenge, okay? On a normal day, I go for 1 to 4s. I risk 20 grand to make 80 grand.
So we're in the last third of the video, so now this is the hot phase here. Mamba is gonna execute a trade, and my position actually would have been in the green if I would be lucky and not be stopped out.
On a normal day, that's what I do, so.
Yeah, look at that. The market actually came back down here. I told you, okay, we can't see a lot here. I told you short here. I would have been maybe stopped out. Maybe I would be very, very, very lucky here and the position would be still running. But the short momentum was still intact. In a 1 minute chart, it's really hard to set a stop loss right without getting chopped. Mamba is still looking for a long trade. Okay, I would, again, I can repeat myself, be already in a short trade. And the short would have worked out so perfectly fine. This is the thing of the 1 minute. Okay, no, I'm analyzing the market here a little bit. Again, this is where I would have entered a short. I told you before, stop loss up here. I would have probably been stopped out by 1 tick and then the market went into my direction. This is part of the 1 minute chart. In theory, my idea was right. The market went lower in the overall short trend. And yeah, I should have, in theory, set the stop loss a little higher. Maybe at this point here. And then, but you never know, okay? In hindsight, it's always easy, but I'm executing in real time.
Hi. Can you go to the other side? I'm gonna send a bucket down. Can you send me some tacos up? All right. I'll see you there. Okay, so I have officially entered 500
Okay, buy. Okay, he's actually going long here. Very risky.
lots.
But maybe he waited for a new short push, saw some exhaustion of the sellers, and is now looking for a retracement long.
On buys for US 30, as you can see. I'm hitting screen record, I don't know why I'm showing my phone. We will go ahead and watch these, see what happens, and pretty much go from there. But my girl was bringing me tacos, so gotta get the bucket ready, and we'll come back.
But look at that, it doesn't look a lot, but he's already in 5 positions in a $5,000 drawdown. So he's already in a $25,000 drawdown immediately, okay, wanting to make $100,000. So actually we could already identify without seeing some charts that he entered a little too early.
Pretty much go from there. But my girl was bringing me tacos, so gotta get the bucket ready, and we'll come back and check on the trade in just a moment. I'm coming. Got it? You got yours already? You think I'm gonna risk these tacos? Hell no, it's been like 6 hours since I ate. I ate a lot though, so.
I want to see some charts here.
Been here for honestly a really long time. You don't usually quit, but no, I'm just kidding. I'm not fucking quitting. I'm just waiting for this trade to do something. It's actually just kind of sitting here and consolidating. So volume,
Which might be a sign that buyers are getting into play again.
kind of picked up and then slowed back down. Makes sense. I'm officially closing my 5 positions.
Yeah, and this is already $100,000, $25,000 in 5 positions.
That's 1, 2,
I wanted to see some charts here.
3, 4, and 5. At a total of $23,000 per position. That's 5 positions. Now, yes, I did risk a slight bit more than I wanted to, but I'm going fucking crazy up here. I don't have the patience or the time to just sit up here and not risk a shit ton of money to make a shit ton of money. Now, okay, maybe, actually, hold on, let me calculate what that was. 23,000 times.
Okay, if we are not seeing charts, then we have to do the work and pull up the charts ourselves. And with the time differences, it's gonna be real hard finding the exact 1 minute chart.
5.
But I want to analyze the markets here with you together, so this is my job.
115K. So I have officially gone way past my bedtime. I don't ever stay up this late because I get up very early to trade in New York, but I've officially made $115,000 in a record
Yeah, it was about 5 positions of $23,000.
time, at least for these challenge videos, record time, because I think when we did the prison video, it took me over 24 hours. I had to spend the night
Maybe I should react on that again. We're gonna see the charts very, very nicely here.
and shit. That was horrible. If you guys haven't seen that video already, you definitely need to check it out.
Okay, Mamba did it, but what I want to see is the market. Okay, we are at July 23rd, and we have to find that. This is gonna be freaking hard, but I'm gonna do my best and pull up TradingView here for you. Hey guys, I've found it on another charting software. The ticks aren't identical to Mamba, but this is around the point where I told you we want to enter. So basically this was Mamba's trend line here. And I told you, okay, we want to enter somewhere down here. This is what I did, and I would have maybe been stopped out, but then the market came back down beautifully back to the lows. So I would have, with a little luck, profited on this trade or being stopped out by a tick. And I can imagine that Mamba made money somewhere on a trend line break here, for example, okay? That he went long here, here, or here and profited on that. This is what I can imagine, guys. Maybe he waited even all the way up to this point to enter long. Okay, this is how the chart unfolded. We weren't able to see that in Mamba's video. This is where I told you, okay, we want to enter. Market came back down, retested the lows. This is where I would have tried to make money, and Mamba was looking for a long breakout on a trend line break. Eventually the breakout only worked about an hour later. So this is maybe the point where Mamba started entering the market. Okay, this is what I wanted to tell you and I wanted to show you. So we found out how Mamba was able to make $100,000. Unfortunately, he did not show the charts. I wish he did. I found the exact example and we are still not sure where he went long. Depends on how much time passed since we took a look at the charts. But this is how the market unfolded, you can see. And eventually there was a long push. Maybe he waited for that. Again, this is a 1-minute chart. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I was able to analyze the market situation a little bit for you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We're gonna see us next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Leave a like and comment down below real quick. Thank you. And that was actually a great video by Mamba. Bye-bye.